Hello everybody, thanks for stopping by. We are doing our first motorcycle camping trip of the year. Okay, everyone's made it. We got Brandon.
Most important person here.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi to the internets.
Hello, internet.
Hello, internet. Hello, peoples on the internet.
Hey Mom, say hi to everyone on the internet.
Hi, everybody. I'm telling all my kids and my family goodbye and be safe.
Oh, it's so sweet. Bye, Tanner.
Hey,
Any famous last words, John?
No. Not last words, but beginning. Let's go.
Oh, all right, let's do it. We are headed out of town here. We're gonna go get us some grub, get us a burger and a beer, non-alcoholic, of course. Whoa! What do you think you're doing? What do you think you're doing? What do you think you're doing?
What?
What do you think you're doing?
I don't know what I'm doing.
You got your gloves on. Can you open that?
You want me to open your camel toe?
Yeah, you can touch my camel. I think it's on there, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's on there. I thought your camel toe would be looser.
Yeah, no shit, right?
We're fueling up here at Malala, and then we're gonna head on down the road. Get us some grub first, though, before we go off into the great unknown. God damn! Made it to Detroit Lake for a little pee-pee stop. I don't know what he's doing back there. I think he's brushing his teeth. Were you brushing your teeth?
Gross, man.
Do you guys think that you're better than everyone else with your BMWs? What are you doing over here, man?
Look good and old.
Good and old?
Just old.
Isn't that like a candy?
It's good and plenty.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I don't know who eats those anymore. I'm ready for my next ice cream stop.
Are you?
Yeah.
There is an ice cream stop like a mile down the road.
Had I
from here.
known you geezers were just gonna ride on the pavement, I would have brought a scooter.
Well, nice hair, bro.
Thank you.
Sherry got me the expensive, it's tinier. It's like, she doesn't know that I still take this $20 Buy Mart special. Because it's way better. If I got the room, fuck it.
All right. We made it to the beautiful Sisters. Gas up and get some meat. One little bar left on E for a long time. Thank you. Sharing is caring. That's a good spot. It's a great spot. We'll find a good spot yet. Pavement ends, that's promising. Ooh, yeah. We trust you, John. Time, had some libations, relaxed around the fire, gonna get some shut-eye and ride out tomorrow. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. It's about 7 o'clock. We're gonna start a fire, make some breakfast, and find a fun way to get home. Coffee's on. Hey, buddy, how are you? Did you sleep good?
I did sleep good.
How good did you sleep?
Pretty good. Why you gotta be such a weirdo? They have people's grill first thing in the morning. Get out of here.
Explain to everyone what the mishap was with your mountain house.
It was the mishap. It was a design update. Found out if you cut your meat on top of your bag, it cuts your bag.
So you're using your mountain house as a cutting board?
Yeah.
It's good.
No, it doesn't look good.
You gonna add some buffalo sauce? Yeah, you gotta add that buffalo sauce, bro. Mmm.
Okay.
Is it perfectly?
Okay.
Yeah.
And then I've got another pouch here for another bottle. So that goes in time.
What's that?
Hair in there.
All right, it's time to pack up, and we're gonna find a fun way home and get the hell out of here.